We were never meant to walk alone. Faith is strengthened when we lift one another up. O God who unites, in a world so divided, let me be a bridge. Let me see beyond differences and recognize the humanity in every soul. Teach me to love as you love, to listen before I speak, to lift before I judge, to serve before I seek. Let me be an instrument of peace, bringing light to dark places, healing to wounded hearts, and hope where there is despair. Bind us together in faith, in love, in purpose. Amen.